let's make this Stitch Messenger bag. First, I have to make the panels. Now, a very long chain for the strap. There we go. Then I made the stitch pocket. Time to assemble. I also made the small flower pockets. Time to sew. Sewed and lined the pockets.
Wow.
Assemble the rest of the bag. And line it.